Hello audience, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we will see how to add fields in any records and display in the form view. So we will see here for the context application. So currently we don't have something like DOB, date of birth. So we'll add date field, date of birth, and we display somewhere here, right? To create these fields we need to activate the developer mode using settings, general settings, and here we have already activated. So we'll go to context, and here you can see this developer icon. We click here and see here these fields and create here new field, DOB, right? Date of birth, date of birth. Let's say we copy this and here select field type as date, right? So we will save, and now we need to display somewhere here, right? So here these are the fields. Let's say if you want to display after this job application, so the technical name of this field is function. You can see here field function, right? And here this is a phone field. So we will go here and click here view form. So here we can see this is the section. If we find here function and phone, right? So we need to add after this function field. So this is the Odoo standard base form view, so we cannot change this, we cannot add here. We need to add using inheritance functions. So we will add here a inherited view, right? We'll add here, and let's say a contact form view inherited DOB field, something we give name, and here we will write in this way data. And here using XPath we need to find that a function field and insert our new field after that function field, right? So using XPath we can achieve XPath expr. Here we need to find where we need to add, right? So we'll find, this is a bit technical, but if you focus in the view inheritance, then you can understand how to achieve, how to find the path and replace or add attribute something, and we can do anything, right? So here a field name is equal to function first field, and position means where our code will insert after before something, right? Position after, right? And here we will add our field name, right? We'll save and save here, and if I go here you can see date of birth, it's added, right? Let's say we can give anything name here, right? We can give this, and also if we want to add here in list view, then let's say we can go here in developer mode list view, and here you can see we can add anywhere. Let's say uh, after this font field we need to insert, right? So let's say contacts inherited a form DOB field something, and data XPath expr uh, field at the red name phone position after field name, our custom field name. We will save and you can see this here. If we refresh, you can see these fields added, right? So this is we have achieved to how to create a field, how we can add in form view, list view using inheritance concept, so it will not affect anywhere in base code or update something for the future update, right? So I hope this video will help.